This is a folding chair by GCI Outdoor, and let's bring this up here so you can see the label. Really nice chair, really good quality. Let me fold it all the way up. You see you have a handle on top there. Fairly light, it's not too bad to carry. Real easy to set up. Just push down and you got yourself a chair. It is a rocking chair, so it has these shock absorbers in the back. So as you rock up and down, the chair doesn't actually rock, but it goes into these shock absorbers. Then you have a side table here. Put your drink. A little mesh here so it doesn't get too warm. Really a nice wide chair. I'm kind of a big guy and I fit in it really well. No problem at all. Felt very secure. Really well made. Show you the back here. So if you're looking for